Today I am showing to how to add in Basemap in QGIS. Suppose you don't know how to add the Basemap of this QGIS software. So at first you have to open the QGIS software, and then you have to use the base map. So you don't know how to the use the base map. So at first you have to click in plugin, and then click the manage and install plugin, and you have to click the all plugin, and then search box you have to search in quick map service, QUICK quick map service. And quick map service, here is the showing in the quick map service. Here is showing quick map service, and you have to select the quick map service and then install the plugin. When the install successfully the plugin, then you have to add it in Basemap as your required. And the quick map service has been installed, and then you have to close the plugin, and you have to show the quick map service tool here. This is the quick map service tool. You have to click the quick map service, and there is a different base map here. As your requirement, you have to select in your base map. Suppose you have to select in a Google satellite, you have to choose the Google, and then you have to select the Google satellite, and here is the base map of the Google satellite. Suppose you have to required in Google road, then you have to select the Google and then Google road. Here is the Google road. You have to showing in the layer panel Google satellite and Google road. Okay, this is the Google road. Okay, as per your requirement, you have to choose the base map, and then okay, the base map already shown in this layer. Okay, thank you.